Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice dress. Who are you again? Who are you dressed as?
Snow White.
Snow White? Say Snow White.
Snowpiercer.
Snowpiercer? Okay.
Here, there's bracelet. Do you have one bracelet?
Don't kick the cat. Not nice.
Do you have a bracelet? She has a bracelet.
Go put on a bracelet. You forgot a bracelet, honey.
Do you have one? Do we missing one?
Yeah, there's one missing under the couch. I have to get it.
Have to get it.
Don't forget this ring. Oh,
I got.
you don't want the ring?
I want a ring.
Here.
I want earrings. I want earrings.
Okay, are you ready? Because this could feel a little weird.
Hmm. What you do, mommy?
Nothing.
What you do?
Nothing.
Hey, what are you putting on? Earrings? Yeah?
Not. That.
No, they fell off. Come here. I'll help you.
Here, Daddy can fix this.
Oh, good.